Hey guys, one thing that we're all challenged with right now is the speed of the market. How fast listings sell as soon as they hit the market. You see, in a traditional market, when you listed a house, you would have 90 days, 180 days of market time. And during that market time, you'd be able to put out just listed cards. You'd be able to call neighborhoods, farm neighborhoods, do multiple open houses, start getting sign calls from all your marketing. And with all that marketing, you would be able to convert those people that are calling and visiting and looking at the property into more buyers and sellers. So every listing could easily lead to 5 or 6 more opportunities for more buyers and sellers. But today things have changed because every time you put a house in the market, it's selling generally really rapidly. Within just a few days with multiple offers, you're getting robbed in many cases of that extra marketing opportunity. But you can change that by using what I call a marketing sequence. What is a marketing sequence? A marketing sequence simply means that we have a strategy about how we launch a listing into the marketplace that benefits the seller and it benefits you. It's a true win-win. So a marketing sequence could look like this. It could look like when we're sitting down with the seller on a Monday, Tuesday, when we're taking that listing, we simply explain to the seller, hey, listen, now that we got the property listed, what I'd like to do with you is launch the listing in the MLS system Thursday at 5 p.m. Now, why Thursday at 5 p.m.? There's been a study done by Redfin, actually, where they studied tens of thousands of sales across a decade, and they found that Thursday at 5 was the best time to launch a property in the market. That's when sellers get the most money. Now, we'll see if it happens for your property, but because we're coming right into the weekend, it often creates a lot of synergy and energy around the market rather than listing that house on Monday or Tuesday. So why not use the strategy? So launch on Thursday at 5 p.m. is best practice for all of us. And then we do some other things within our marketing remarks. Number one, we say we're going to strategize our showings. And the strategy for our showings is we're going to allow showings Saturday and Sunday. Got to call the listing agent and we'll schedule into time slots, right? You don't get to show it on Thursday at 7. You don't get to show it on Friday. Showings start on Saturday and Sunday. Now, why am I doing this? I'm letting the market absorb the listing and check it out and schedule themselves into that showing. I'm creating some sense of urgency, right? So that people know that they better get in line or they may miss the opportunity. Second thing I'm going to do is I might say, if it's okay to do it in my market today, that I'm going to do an open house on Friday from 4 to 6, Friday evening, so people have time to get off work and come out and check out the property. Now, anybody that's in line to see the property on Saturday or Sunday may come on Friday just so they can get to that listing first. That's going to create more synergy, more energy in the open house, right? That's exactly what we want. Now, if that's available to us in our market. Some markets are different right now because of what we're dealing with COVID, but things are going to change. We're going to exit COVID, and then we're going to be all back to business as normal. Even during COVID, like in my market, we can still do open houses if they're appointment-only open houses. So we could simply have an appointment-only strategy with our open houses in some markets. Then we say on Mondays, we're going to be reviewing offers. On Tuesday, we'll be responding to offers. What does this do for you? Well, number one, it gives you 4 or 5 days minimum to market that property, to do a just listed campaign, to market your open house, to do social media videos, to get that property in the market so you can generate some calls. The sign will be up without a pending sign for several days. You'll generate some calls and be able to create some more conversion opportunities. That's one thing. Second thing for the seller, though, is that because the house is going to now have some more energy around it, they're likely to get higher offers, more showings, and more competition, more bidding, more action on that property. We can create a sense of scarcity and energy around that listing that may or may not have been there before. So those are some ideas on creating a marketing sequence for your next listing. I hope that helps you. I hope that's something that you can use as a strategy. If you like some more strategies, ideas, lead generation techniques like this, check us out over at eRealEstateCoach. Check out the Path Performance Coaching Platform. We've got 2 full weeks free for you just to check out, and it's going to give you all kinds of great ideas. We do 16 weeks of lead generation coaching within the platform every single day for 16 weeks. We give you 3 live coaching sessions every single week, 150 coaching sessions a year. So much value. We'd love to share it with you. Just have you check it out and see if it's right for you. So check us out over at eRealEstateCoach, and we'll see you next time.